This long, narrow space was transformed into a luxurious spa-like retreat that better suits the home standard and the owner's lifestyle. An aluminium arched door with privacy glass was introduced, concealing the ensuite from the walk-in wardrobe and providing additional storage. Consistency flows through each zone via intentional shapes and finishes, with limed oak from the master bedroom appearing in the tall wardrobe joinery and micro-cement finishes echoed across both vanity units and surfaces. Soft curves and bullnose edges feature throughout, giving the sweet and organic cohesive feel. An intentional contrast comes with the custom aluminium shower screen, which frames the circular bath and mirrors the arch of the ensuite door. Touches of black ground the design and tie into the home's existing window frames. The TIDA judges felt this was a calming, luxurious and highly functional suite with all the indulgence of an at-home day spa. Congratulations to Olivia Cirocco of GIA Renovations, winner of the 2025 TIDA Australia Designer Suite of the Year.